This vignette comes to us from the webinar, Engaging Technology and Online Pedagogy. Join Brian Mull of November Learning as he starts to talk about using Skype and ePals as part of the teaching process.
How can students build relationships that will really allow them to foster good connectivity and get quality information from really important people and people who can assist them, such as experts in different fields, such as authors of books, and even other classrooms that we might collaborate with on a project. I'm going to show you a couple of examples that will help you in building those kind of relationships. The first one that would be beneficial is called ePals. ePals is a place where you can go and find other classrooms to connect with on different projects. So if I go ahead and click on Find Classroom, I can go in and I can search by country, by number of students, the types of collaboration I want to do. So the other day I was working with some Jewish schools in Texas, and we went in and we said we wanted to find classrooms that were located in Israel. So just by doing that one search, I can find classrooms of various age levels of students that I could then connect with, whether it's going to be over email or over Skype or however. Another great tool for doing this is Skype, as I've already mentioned. And Skype already has their own kind of database of people that can give you great information and feedback and give you classrooms that you can take part in projects with. So when you look up at the top, you see, I am a teacher looking for an expert in, and then you put in your topic area. I can change this around and say, I'm a teacher willing to share my knowledge of a particular topic. And once you start finding these individuals, what you can do is then connect with them and come up with your projects that you want to do. So if students, for example, in a science class are learning about pollution and its effect on water systems, well, we send students out into the field with probes where they can measure pH and where they can measure temperature and all this kind of stuff, and they'll generally come back to school and they'll plug that into an Excel spreadsheet where they can go ahead and chart out their data. But what if we started finding classrooms around the world, because there's water sources and there's pollution all over the world, what if we sent them out with videos made by students in your class that demonstrated the types of experiments that they were doing? We had students around the world replicate these experiments, and then instead of using Excel, where only one person can see the data, then what we can do is we can use something like Google Spreadsheet and allow all people to be able to interact and be able to put in their data and get a much larger sample size. This is actually how scientists work.